back dear students to the maths class. In today's class we will discuss a topic circle. Okay, so our today's topic is circle. We are studying chapter 7, the world of shapes. Circle. If you place a bangle on your notebook and with the help of pencil you trace around it, means if you place bangle and with the help of pencil you trace around it, you get a shape, you get a closed figure. It is a closed figure, you get a shape. This shape is known as circle. Okay, circle. Circle is a plane shape. Remember some points about it. Circle is a plane shape. It is a closed curve or closed figure. Now let us discuss 4 points about circle, which is center, then radius, chord, and the fourth one is diameter. We will discuss center, radius, chord and these 4 terms related to circle. What are these? So, when we draw a circle and we mark a dot or point in just a center, it is known as center point. If we mark a point in just the center of the circle, it is known as center point. Okay, we can give name to a point. So I am giving this point name O. So point O is a center point. Point O is center point of circle. Okay, it is just in center of the circle. It is exactly in the center of the circle. So we call it as center point. Okay, we call it as center point. It is a fixed point. The center of it is a fixed point which is equidistant from all the points on the circle. Okay, one more point we will discuss is circumference. Circumference. These 5 terms we are going to discuss for today. Okay, it is a circle, a fixed point inside the circle which have equal distance from the circumference is known as center. Okay, it is a fixed point called as center. We gave name to it as O. Point O. Point O is a center of the circle. Point O is center point or center of the circle. Okay. Next point is radius. What is radius? So we have a circle, we have center point. Now it is the boundary of the circle. It is the boundary of the circle, right? So the boundary of the circle is called as circumference. The boundary of circle is called circumference. The 5th point is circumference. Circumference. The boundary of circle is known as circumference. The boundary of circle is called as circumference. We have circumference, we have a center point. Okay. This is the boundary of the circle. It is known as circumference. Boundary of circle is known as circumference. We have one fixed point. Now if I draw one point on the circumference, it is circumference of circle. I draw a point on the circumference. Right? Let us give name to this point as L. Suppose I give name L. Okay. Now if I join these 2 points, center point and a point on circumference. If I join these 2 points with the help of ruler, I get a straight line. I got a straight line OL. I got a line segment OL. This line segment is known as radius. This line segment is known as radius. So here OL is called as radius. OL is called as radius. How I got radius? What I did? I joined a point with center so the distance between center and any point on the circumference is known as radius. What is radius? Distance. Which distance? Distance between center. Distance between center and any point on circumference. Circumference means boundary. Okay. So the distance between center and any point on circumference is known as radius. So OL is radius. Now if I draw another point and give name to it as B, point B. Point B is any point on the circumference. If I join center point with B, this OB is also called as radius. Why? Because distance between center and any point on the circumference. So B is any point on the circumference. This distance is known as radius. So OB is radius. OL is radius. If I draw another point and give name it as Y. Okay. If I draw another point on circumference, on boundary, and join it with the center O, I am joining it. So OY is also a radius. OY is also a radius. So anywhere you can draw on the boundary, if you draw any point and you join with center, it is called as radius. So here OL, OB and OY are radius. Or radii. We write radii in plural form. Okay. As you write pen, if 2 pens are there, you write pens. Right? For 1 pen you will write pen. But for 2 pen you will write pens. Because it is 1 pen is singular form and 2 pen is plural form. Right? If you write chalk, if you have 1, for singular you write chalk. If you have 2 chalks, then you will write chalks. So for plural, you put S. Okay. So this is how, if 1 radius is there, you write radius. If 1 radius is there in your circle, you will write radius. But if there are more than 1 radius, you will write a radii. So why I write radii here? Because here 3 radiuses are there. 1, 2 and 3. So if 1 radius is there, you will write radius. But if more than 1 radius are there, you will write radii. Okay. So we have discussed 3 points about the circle. The boundary of circle is known as circumference. A fixed point in the center of the circle is known as center point. Okay. The distance between center and any point on the circumference is known as radius. Now let us discuss another point, which is chord. Chord. Now if any 2 points on the circle, so on the boundary. If we have only 2 points on the boundary, let us give name to M and N. M and N are 2 points on the boundary of circle. If we join these 2 points, if we join 2 points on the boundary of circle, it is known as chord. It is known as chord. How we pronounce it? This word chord, not chord. It is chord. Okay. When we join 2 points on the boundary of the circle, 2 points M and N on the boundary of the circle, if we join them, we got a straight line. This straight line is known as chord. So if any 2 points, on circle, if any 2 points on circle are joined with line, we get a chord. It is called chord. These terms you must know about the circle, okay? Circle, center point, boundary is called circumference. If we join 2 points of the boundary, we get a chord, okay? If we join a center point with 1 point on boundary, we get a radius, okay? Now our point diameter. What is diameter? If we join 2 points, if we have 2 points P and Q, both are on the boundary of the circle. Both points are of the boundary of the circle. If I join these 2 points, it is known as chord. PQ is known as chord. Okay, why? Because if any 2 points on circle are joined with a line, it is called a chord. So PQ is also a chord. Okay. Now if I join this point, if I have a point S, another point T, ST. If I join these 2 points S and T, but it is passing through center. S is on boundary, T is on boundary. If we join 2 points located in boundary, we call it as chord. Okay, but if it is passing through the center, we call it as diameter. It is the longest chord of circle. Diameter is longest chord of circle. ST is also a chord, but it is passing through the center, so we call it as diameter. Okay, ST is also a chord, and what I am saying it, I am calling it longest chord of circle. Longest chord of the circle is known as diameter. Longest chord of the circle is known as diameter. So these were the terms related to circle. All these 5 definitions you must learn. Okay, 2 formulas are also there which you need to learn to solve questions based on these definitions. One more time I am recalling all these things. Circle. Circle is a simple closed curve. Circle is a simple closed curve. It has a fixed center point. Okay, it has a fixed center point. Here O is the center of the circle. Okay, the distance between center and any point, on the circle is known as radius. The distance between center and any point on the circle is called radius. So OB is radius. The distance between center and any point P on the radius. So OD is radius. OS is radius. OL is radius. OY is radius. Okay. Now chord. If any 2 points on the circle are joined with a line, it is called chord. So any 2 points M and N joined with a line is known as chord. MN is chord. P and Q, any 2 points on the circle, on the boundary, P and Q on the boundary joined with a line, so PQ is a chord. If I join M is on boundary, S is on boundary. If I join these 2 points with a line, so MS is also a chord. If I join this point N with point P with a straight line, NP will be called as chord. Okay. If we join any 2 points on the circle and it is passing through the center, if that line is passing through the center, if we are joining 2 points on the circle and that line is passing through the center, it is known as longest chord or diameter. If we join 2 points on the circle and if that line is passing through the center, it is known as diameter. And diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The boundary of the circle is known as circumference. Next point is circumference. So the boundary of circle is known as circumference. These some points you must remember about the circle. Okay. There are 2 formulas which you must learn. These 2 formulas you must learn. First one is diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. Second formula is radius is equals to diameter, radius equals to diameter divided by 2. These 2 formulas you must learn. Formula 1, diameter is equals to 2 into 2 multiplied with radius. Second formula is radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. These 2 formula you must learn. Okay. Formula 1, diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. And before learning these 2 formula, learn definitions. All the 5 definitions. Okay. Suppose I draw a circle. What is the name of this point? It is a fixed point. What is its name? What we call it? What I give name to it as O. What is point O here? Point O is, it is a fixed point in the center of the circle. fixed point in the center of the circle is called center point, right? It is center point or center. Okay? Point O is a center point. Now if I draw one point on the boundary, it is the boundary. If I draw one point A on the boundary, okay, and I join the center with a point on boundary. If I join with a line, center point and point A on the boundary, if I join this OA, what is OA here? What is OA? The distance between center and a point on boundary of the circle is known as radius. So OA is radius. OA is radius. If I draw another point on the boundary and give name to it as B, okay? If I join center with a point on circle, this distance OB is known as radius. Okay? OB is radius, OA is radius. Okay. If I have 2 points on the radius X, Y, I have 2 points. One point is X, other point is Y. If I join these 2 points on the circle with a line, XY is known as chord, right? XY is known as chord. 2 points on the boundary we join with line is known as chord. Let us give another point. One point I write T, other point I write U. If I join these 2 points with the help of a line, 2 points we join with the help of line. 2 points on boundary we join with help of line is known as chord. So TU is chord. Okay. Now let us take 2 other points on the boundary. One point is C and other point is D. One point is C on the boundary, other point is D on the boundary. If I join these 2 points, if I join these 2 points with the help of line, I got a chord, but this chord is known as diameter. Why? Because this chord is passing through the center of the circle. So here line DC is diameter. Why it is called as diameter? Diameter is also chord. It is even longest chord of the circle. Diameter is called as longest chord of the circle. Why we are calling it as diameter? Because it is passing through the center of the circle. Okay? This chord is not passing through the center. Chord TU is not passing through the center. So we are calling TU as simply chord. XY is not passing through the center. So we are calling XY as chord. But the line DC is longest chord which is passing through the center. That is why we are calling it as diameter. So DC is called as diameter. So what we discussed today? Today we discussed circle is a simple closed curve. Circle is a simple closed curve. The boundary of circle is called as diameter. It has a fixed center point. Okay. Distance between center and any point on the boundary is known as radius. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. If we join 2 points on the boundary with a line, we get a chord. These were the terms related to circle. Okay, I give you 2 formulas to learn. First is diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Second formula is radius equals to diameter divided by 2. So you must learn both the formulas properly. I hope you got all the terms related to it. Okay. Now remember one more thing about the circle, which is all the radiuses of circle are of same length. Let us see how all the radiuses are of same length. We have a circle, right? If I mark one point here, okay, it is the fixed point. Fixed point is known as center point. I am giving it name as O. Okay, I marked one point A. If I join O with A, I will get radius. OA is radius. OA is radius. Now I am marking another point B and joining with O. I am joining this point B with O. I got a radius. Okay. Let us take another point here. Point P. I am joining this point with center point with point P. So OP is radius, center with a point on boundary we join, we call it as radius. Okay, so OP is a radius. Now let us take another point S. On the boundary, if I join it with O, center point, if I join with S, center point with S, it is also OS is radius. Okay, I have taken 4 points P, A, B and S. Okay, now let us measure length of all these. So what I will do, I will put 0 on center and this point. The length of this line is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. OS is of 7 centimeter. Now let us measure OB. So I will put the mark 0 on center point. Another point I will keep here. Observe, OB is of 7 centimeter. Let us measure OP. How much length of OP? So we will mark point 0 on center point. We will keep. It is of also 7 centimeter. Let us measure OA. OA. 0 on center point. Another point is at point A is at 7. So OA is 7 centimeter. Now observe all the radius. OA, radius OB, radius OP, radius OS is of 7 centimeters. All the radius are of 7 centimeter. OS is of 7 centimeter. OP is of 7 centimeter. OA is of 7 centimeter. OB is of 7 centimeter. Means all the radius of one circle are of equal length. Means OA is equals to OB is equals to OP is equals to OS. Or either if you draw any other radius, OL, if you draw and join, this OL will be also of the same length 7 centimeter. Means the length of the radiuses are equal in circle. So radii of the circle of a same circle are equal. If I draw other circle and center O, if it is of OP is of 5 centimeter, OT is of 5 centimeter. Okay, if OP is of 5 centimeter, OT will be of 5 centimeter. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि OT यहाँ पे 7 centimeter हो जाएगा, नहीं, because it is different circle. So the radius of this circle, all the radiuses will be of 5 centimeter. If I draw other radiuses, all these will be of 5 centimeters. Okay. So this is all about the circles. These were the terms related to circle. In next lecture we will meet with exercise. Okay. Till then learn all this formula and definitions and learn all the terms. Bye students.